Howdy, Possum Patty here, and I have an unboxing from Crazespire. Create and inspire. Come on along. Crazespire was one of the very first companies that reached out to me to do an unboxing and review, and I really did like their product. So when they reached out to me again, I said yes. So let's check out their website first, and then I'm going to go over to the table and show you the items I got to review. This is the Crazespire website. I will link this below. I will also put links to all of the items that I show you today and a discount coupon, so don't forget to check out the description box. Of course, like many of these online craft stores, there are different categories you can check out. There are stamps. Many people love the sealing waxes, silicone molds, and lots of paper crafts. I am usually into the paper crafts categories, and this one has stickers and tape, cutting dies, rubber stamps, pens, envelopes and cards, wax seals, stationery tools, scrapbooking supplies, and stencils. Lots of things to choose from, and there's also a 99-cent sale catalog, so if you love the Dollar Tree, check that one out. This page is showing you the cutting dies. Of course, there is quite a selection to choose from. I'm going to scroll slowly here. Ooh, look at this one. Various dragon embossing template mold, Oriental style carbon steel die cuts. Ooh, there's always something new to look at. Wow. I love the dragon die cuts. So quite the selection of die cuts, and the prices are very reasonable. Scrolling back up, of course, there is a huge selection of rubber stamps. Got snowmen and holiday stamps. Look, this was a vintage wood-mounted rubber stamp, birthday cake and love. Wow. So they do have the clear stamps and the wooden block stamps. They get quite a variety of things. Okay, I'm going to scroll slowly up. Hang on, here we go. And pens, envelopes, wax seals, stationery tools. Let's go to scrapbook and see what's under scrapbook. Ooh, paper. Beautiful papers here. Nice. How about painting stencils? Quickly look at those. Very nice. I like these. They're like corner stencils. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Corner stencils. That's an interesting idea for little tucks and pockets in your journal. Oh, look at this beautiful tree over here. Oh, the kitty cats, aliens. Lots to choose from. These stencils are only 79 cents at $1.29. Good prices. And speaking of good prices, I'm scrolling back up. Let's check out the 99-cent. And those look like handles for your seals. There are stamps, 99 cents. Silicone mold. Stickers. All kinds of things on sale. Okay, there's several pages there. Okay, 94 items on sale for 99 cents. All right, I'm going to scroll back up very carefully just to go to the home page. And there is a Happy New Year sale going on. And Crazespire, create and inspire your mind to Enjoy life. Isn't that true? All right, so there's their homepage, cutting dies. Ooh, look at these. You know, I always love my leaves and ferns, but these, look at these bows. These are different. I'm gonna have to check that one out too. Okay, let's get over to the table and let me show you what I have. I've removed my items from the envelope. They came nicely packaged in bubble wrap. I have a packing slip. There are 4 different products that I ordered. The first item I have for you may look like 8 rolls of washi tape. This was a set I bought together, but it is an amazing product. Each roll, and I only opened up one, is made up of, oh my gosh, I don't know, hundreds of individual vellum stickers. And this one is flower petals. Look at this. And there's even the stamens are in here. So you can reconstruct a flower with as many petals as you would like. Look at that. Or you can just have petals falling across your page. You can do whatever you like. This is an entire roll of these little flower vellum parts, individual parts. I think I put some of these on upside down maybe. Doesn't matter. Okay. So I'm going to show you pictures from the website so I don't have to take these all apart. But this one is Gorgeous Hearts. And this one is yellowish and white, more like a daisy maybe. Flower petals. And of course purple flower petals. And pink flower petals. And look at the flower in that one. Isn't that gorgeous? This one's like pansies or something. They're all gorgeous. I'm going to put in some pictures here while I'm talking about these. And this one has butterflies and different things on it. Can you see the butterflies there? I know some of these are, there's one. Some of these are tiny, but they're all gorgeous. Some more petals and some more petals. So these are super, super fun to play with. So that is item number 1. I will put the link to this below. For the 8 rolls, and there's a lot on each roll, the cost is, I'm checking the website right now, $14.59, but don't forget to use discount codes. And they're just so unusual and so beautiful. I mean, when I saw these, I was like, wow. Look at that. And you can just play and mix up the petals and make whatever you want with those. I thought they were gorgeous. They are just so different, so unique. I hadn't seen anything like these before. And I was like, wow, I have to review those. So that is one product right there. Amazing, isn't it? I just checked the website, and I think right now they are actually out of these beautiful metallic pens, and I've got 5 in a package here. So don't worry if they're not in stock, because if you stay tuned, I will give away a set of these, a set being 1 of each color, and I will try them out. Now these are water-based ink, odorless, opaque writing and decorating even on dark and colored paper, light, fast, and indelible. So I have 5 of each color. So I am going to do a giveaway at the end. So let's see how these work. Does it say what color is on here? It's just green. Very dark. It's a beautiful color. Oh yeah, you can see the shine on that. See the shimmer? See how it reflects the light? Okay, it says works on dark paper. Here's a black piece of paper. Handy. Ooh my gosh. Look at it on black. Oh, that is gorgeous for writing on black. And you know what? And it's drying a little bit lighter there. and it's water-based. I wonder if it will spread with a paintbrush. All right, let me get a paintbrush ready. I'm just playing with these. I just opened this up. See, so on this black, it looked dark on the white at first, but I can see as the ink dries that it's getting very shiny and lighter. So this is watercolor paper. And I'm going to right away take a pen and see what it does. A pen. I'm going to take my water brush. Ooh. Oh my goodness, look at that. All right, we'll see what that looks like when it dries. Okay, let's see how shimmery that gets. Where's my paper towel here? I can see these are going to be fun to play with. All right, that one I used, so I'll put that one aside. All right, I'm gonna put 3 away. And I'm going to give 1 set away today. You'll get 1 green and 1 bronze. And then you'll just have to stay tuned for when I give the other ones away. So these will be random secret giveaways. I'm going to keep 2 for myself right there. Making some room so I can get out the brown, bronze, metallic, gold, whatever this is. Wow, I'm really loving them on the black, much more than even the white. Okay, let's do a little on watercolor paper there. My watercolor, get my water brush. Okay, the green seemed to pull out a little bit easier. This one's a little bit lighter. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, let me bring those up to you a little closer. On white, see how they shimmer? On black. And if you like dark pages or are thinking about doing like a journal with black paper or doing some darker backgrounds, wow, perfect. And you can even play with water. Look at that. Paint with them, and they're still a little bit wet, so it's hard to see them shine. So those are the markers that I got. Like I said, I'm going to keep a couple for myself. I didn't know they were going to send 5 of each color. I thought they were going to send 1 of each color. And so, yeah, these will be giveaways. One giveaway is today. So if you would like a set, now I'm going to pick out 3 people to receive 1 set each. So you get 1 green, 1 bronze. You have to be 18 years of age or older. You must be a subscriber. You must live in the United States. And you must comment below. And this is not sponsored by YouTube. Did I say everything? Yes. Okay, so if you would like to be entered and you meet all the qualifications, please just remark below that somewhere in the comment, I want you to put the word yes. Y-E-S, yes. And that yes means yes, you want to be entered. So I will do a random drawing. I will use the random generator to generate a winner, 3 winners, as long as you have the word yes in your comment below. So they're there. They actually look shiniest on the white, but I love how they pop out of the black. And they make a very interesting watercolor. So those are the pens. And the last couple of items I got, sorry about that, that's my bird clock singing. away in the voice of the American robin. And these are half rounds. Right, let me check these on the website. Okay, this is a set of imitation pearls. Flatbacks. Wow, this is a huge set. I love the way they send you so much for your money. And this one has pastel colors. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 different sizes. And they are just lovely. Let me see if I could put something behind them. There you go. And so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 6 of the pastel colors. And I've got 6 of the white. And these are imitation pearl stickers. I guess you can use these for so many things. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to keep half of this for myself, and I'm going to give half of these away. And you just have to watch my videos. And in different random secret giveaway videos, I will give away 1 set of the white and 1 set of the colored in each giveaway. So there'll be 3 giveaways for this and 3 giveaways for these. So that is 6 giveaways coming up. Plus I ordered something special. I have another company who wanted me to do a second unboxing and review for them, and I'm cooperating with them, and they're printing up a special set of bags for me, and I will be giving those away also. So my birthday is coming up, so I decided for my birthday this year, instead of asking people to send me things, I am just going to send people things. So we're going to make sure your caps are on tight there so they don't dry out. Okay. So I have my pens, I have my acrylic pearls, I have my washi tape, and it says these are made from really good Japanese washi tape paper, and they're beautiful. They're beautiful. Look at that. So these are my items that I unboxed today, and the things that are in stock I will link below. And like I said, don't worry about these pens. If they're not in stock right now, I will be giving some away. So remember that for today, put yes somewhere in your comments below, and I will pick 3 names. I'll wait 3 days, and then I'll pick 3 names to receive these pens. So thanks for coming along today. This was a really fun unboxing. Bye-bye.